these two sites are being sold together. This is 96 on the right and 97 on the left. So 97 is the Carri Lite, and that one is 33 feet, and it's a 1992. So it's older, and it has a deck, and this under part here is for storage. And then what you have is there's a propane tank on the other side, and we are on the new 50 amps here. So that's kind of nice. So this is what we have here. There's a trash can there, but that should probably be underneath too, underneath the fifth wheel. So there's a big fire pit there, and some nice cushiony chairs, and you can see 96 is over there. So this one is the 1997, and we just have to go in here to see this one. Okay. And they have been here. Okay. 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 So you can see you've got double sinks here. They had their dog in here. So this was a really nice, this is a really nice trailer. It looks like it needs some little TLC here, you know, and then I think we need new bulbs. And this is one of those old back TVs. But what you'll see is there's a washer dryer hookup back there. Really hard to see. So there is space up here. So if you wanted one in this site, we do have one in the other site. And then of course there's storage over here too. Storage over here. And I'm not tall enough for the light switch up there. Okay. Okay. There's like two little stairs. And then we have here, you can see the one next door. So this one here is got the nice storage up there. It's a nice day. They're airing it out a little bit because no one's been here for quite a bit. And there's the accordion door here for your privacy. And then, yeah, and then this one has the pocket door. So this is a pocket door here. It gives you the bedroom and everything more privacy. Okay. So, you see the fridge is new. It's not completely new, but it's a lot newer than this trailer. So, that's always a good thing. And you've got a nice, beautiful site back there. And you can just see your next place. Okay. So it's summer. Okay. The covered deck is really nice to have. And then, so we just walk over here to the other one. Okay. And this is 96. You can hear the birds and the crows. Okay. They had the ladder out to do something. And you've got an enclosed deck over here. So, and there's the, so we're going in the sliding glass doors on this one. Okay. 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 So this one has a pellet stove in it right there. Okay. I'll leave this open for some air. Okay, so as you can see, this great big windows here. Could be a living room. It could be another bedroom. And then the pellet stove there is great for heat. And you can see in here, you've got the full fridge, you've got the stove. Oh, this is nice. This is the nice part. You have the washer dryer combo here. So you do have one in this place. And this is a Splendide, which is one of the good brands. Lots of storage up there. You could put spices and stuff in there. And here is a small bedroom. Not a huge one, but it's a good second bedroom. And then where I gotta see where the light is in here. This is the one I couldn't find. Okay, well, I can't really show it if I have no lights. Okay, so it's got a shower curtain, the toilet's there, and then this is the enclosed deck. Now, I really like enclosed decks. I have one in my place. And I like that lamp. And then, so this is a small place to hang things, put your stuff in. And there's a heater and a vacuum there. So this has a nice rug in it. And this is one of these wood blinds. Definitely the wood blinds. So those are nice to block out things, but you have a nice view out here too. There's a picnic table, and there's wood in the little shed there. Okay. Okay, so you'll see that these two both come together. So okay, I like this front area, and I like it outside. Okay. Okay. And there we are. Oh, and this is the Seaview. It is 1992, and it's by Skyline. So we'll go back to the front of this one so you can see the front. Okay. Welcome, friends. There's some yard art, and there's a cow. Okay. And so they have these propane tanks out here, but you can see this one here is a 39-footer. Okay. And both of these are on the 50 amps too.